Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the clock on your Nissan Leaf. This guide will help you adjust the time quickly and easily. We'll cover accessing the settings, navigating the menus, and making the necessary adjustments. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, ensuring your vehicle always displays the correct time. To begin, locate the menu button on your Nissan Leaf's dashboard or the touchscreen display. Once pressed, a series of options will appear. Look for and select the settings icon, which often resembles a gear. From there, you will find the clock or date and time option, leading you to the adjustment screen. On the clock adjustment screen, you will see options for hours and minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons or the up and down arrows to set the correct time. Be sure to confirm the AM or PM setting. If needed, you can also adjust the date, including the month, day, and year, to ensure everything is accurate. After making your adjustments, remember to press the OK or Set button to save the new time and date. Some Nissan Leaf models offer automatic time zone or daylight saving adjustments, which you might want to enable. If you encounter any difficulties, your vehicle's owner's manual provides detailed instructions for your specific model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.